How to change featured products on Shopify. So first we want to click on products here from the left hand side, and we have to go to collections. Once we have been taken to this page, we will click on create collection and we will call it featured products. Now we need to do this because we want to manually set which products are going to be featured. So you can just set the name here or the title and click on save. And once we have clicked on save, we will go back to collections here, click on the featured products, and we want to add the products that we want featured here. So from products, we will just search for the products that we want added, obviously. So I'm going to do this case here, as well as another image that I have created as an example. So now we have set these two products. These are the products that we want to feature. And we can now go to our home screen. So once we're taken to the home screen, we will click on online store here. And it's going to automatically take us to the themes page. So from the themes page, we want to click on customize, and it will take us to the website editor. And you will be able to see the featured collection right here. Now, if you want to change it, we will simply delete this section. So I'm just going to click on delete, and we will click on add section. From here, you will see featured collection or featured product. We want to do featured collection. So just click on featured collection. And now click on it, left click on it, and scroll down a little bit until you see this option to select collection. Now, by clicking on this, you will be able to find your featured products page or collection that we just created. So simply left click on it and then select. And now we have successfully changed the featured products on our Shopify store. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.